A word we'll be learning in this section is たっする, which you will often hear in contexts like reaching a certain age, achieving a goal, or arriving at a destination. The word たっする means to reach, to get to, or to attain something. It's often used when talking about reaching a certain point or level, whether it's physical, like a destination, or more abstract, like an age or a goal. Essentially, it conveys the idea of achieving something. The first kanji means to reach, attain, or arrive, and it often shows that something has been achieved. It can also function to indicate people or a group, adding the sense of connections or companions. For example, 友達 means friend, and here the kanji contributes the notion of people or companions. Another word, 達成 means achievement, and here the kanji keeps the sense of reaching or attaining a goal. Achieve the goal. 目標に達する目標に達する He achieved success. 彼は成功に達する彼は成功に達する He finally reached his goal. 彼はやっと目標に達した彼はやっと目標に達した He reaches the station. 彼は駅に達します彼は駅に達します The most common synonym of the word 達する is 到達, while 達する is often used more generally for reaching or achieving something. 到達 might be used more formally, especially in written contexts, to indicate reaching a destination. It has no antonyms.